Alright everyone, this is Michael, and for today's video we are going to assemble our rack as long as it's toms. Okay, so in this clip, in this video, I'm not going to talk too much. The video itself is too direct, I don't need to explain it. So yeah, enjoy guys, and I hope this helps you. Alright everyone, so in this part, I managed to destroy or damage the PVC. After I hit it up and split it into two, it turned out. So to fix that, after I split it again, we need to put two holes between the um, lines or the cut, so that if we hit it up and split it again, there would be no sharp edges to turn the PVC. Okay.
So hello everyone. I just managed to put our snare, the toms, and the floor. Okay. So yeah, that's going to be the position of our snare, toms, and floor. And don't worry if this color blue. I'm going to paint it color black when we finish our project. And also, I'm going to put paddings in here. Um, uh, it is a rubber mat or rubber sheet. Yes. Now we put the rod here for the crash and the ride, but unfortunately I haven't received the materials yet. And also later I'm going to put some rod here too for the hi-hat. Okay, so at least you get the idea. That will be the looks of our digital drum kit. Okay, so yeah, that is the part 3 of our project. See you guys on my next update.